Welcome back, my YouTube channel CoinZF friends. Before we begin today's story, if you enjoy learning about old coins, hidden values, and real collecting knowledge, please subscribe to the CoinZF channel right now. Your support helps this channel continue bringing deep, meaningful coin stories, especially for experienced collectors and serious viewers who truly understand history, patience, and value. Now let us begin. Today we're talking about a coin that almost every man over the age of 55 has held in his hand at some point in life, often without giving it a second thought. A coin that passed through shops, pockets, toolboxes, workbenches, lunch breaks, and long working days. The 1970s Lincoln Memorial Cent. This coin is not just copper and zinc. It is memory, time, and a quiet witness to an era of hard work, discipline, and change. When the 1970s began, America was changing fast. Factories were loud, cities were growing, fuel prices were rising, and families depended on every dollar earned with sweat. In that time, the Lincoln Memorial Cent was everywhere. It paid for coffee, newspapers, nails, screws, and sometimes candy for children after a long day. Men carried these cents in their pockets without ever imagining that one day collectors would carefully examine them under lights and magnification. The Lincoln Memorial design itself already carried weight. Abraham Lincoln's face on the front represented honesty, strength, and unity. For many older men, Lincoln was taught as a symbol of responsibility and sacrifice. Turning the coin over, the Lincoln Memorial stood proudly, showing columns and structure, reminding people of order and endurance. These designs were not random. They were chosen to reflect values that mattered deeply during that time. In the 1970s, pennies were still mostly copper. They felt solid. When you dropped them on a table, they made a strong sound. That sound alone told you this was real money. Many men remember saving copper pennies in jars, coffee cans, or drawers, thinking maybe one day they would be useful. That instinct was not wrong. What makes the 1970s Lincoln Memorial Cent special today is not just age, but the small differences that most people never noticed. Different mint locations, subtle changes in metal composition, strike quality, and errors created during high-speed production. During the 1970s, millions upon millions of cents were produced. Machines ran day and night. When production is rushed, small mistakes happen. Those mistakes are where value hides. Some 1970s cents were struck with sharper details. Some have doubled features that the naked eye cannot easily see. Others were struck off-center or on incorrect planchets. A few were saved in exceptional condition, never heavily used, never damaged, never cleaned. Condition is everything. A cent that looks ordinary after 50 years is common. A cent that looks nearly new after 50 years is rare. Men who worked with their hands understand where. Tools wear down, machines lose precision, and coins are no different. Every scratch, every mark tells a story. But collectors seek coins that escape that wear. Coins that sat quietly in rolls, drawers, or collections, untouched by time. The 1970s also saw a transition period in metal values. Copper prices began to rise. Pennies minted before major composition changes became interesting not just to collectors, but to people who understood metal value. Some men saved pennies simply because they felt heavier and more valuable. Again, instinct mattered. Another reason this coin speaks strongly to older viewers is memory. This coin lived through the Vietnam War era, oil crises, economic uncertainty, and major political shifts. It was present during long work weeks, factory shifts, farming seasons, and small businesses. Holding a 1970s Lincoln Cent today is like holding a piece of your own past. Now let us talk about why collectors today look closely at these coins. Not every 1970s cent is valuable, but certain examples stand far above the rest. Coins with strong strikes, full details on Lincoln's hair, beard, and coat, and clean memorial lines on the reverse are highly desirable. Admit errors or rare variations, and the value changes dramatically. Many older men have jars of pennies at home. Some have rolls stored away for decades. Inside those rolls could be a single cent that separates itself from all others. That is why knowledge matters more than luck. Knowing what to look for turns ordinary coins into potential treasures. The market today rewards patience. Serious collectors do not rush. They examine. They compare. They study. They understand that value grows where rarity meets demand. The 1970s Lincoln Memorial cent has demand because it connects generations. Younger collectors want it for history. Older collectors want it because it is familiar, honest, and real. Another powerful aspect is survival rate. Millions were made, but millions were also destroyed, melted, damaged, or lost. The number of high-quality surviving examples is far smaller than people think. Time filters everything. Only the best remain. This coin also teaches an important lesson to men who appreciate real value. Not everything valuable looks impressive at first glance. Sometimes the smallest object carries the biggest story. A 1-cent coin can represent decades of economic change, personal memory, and national identity. Collectors who specialize in Lincoln cents understand that the 1970s series is deeper than it appears. Each year has its own character. Different mints left different marks. Some years produced sharper coins. Some years produced more errors. Understanding these details separates serious collectors from casual ones. Many men watching this today remember a time when money was handled with respect. Coins were counted carefully. Savings mattered. Nothing was wasted. That mindset is returning. Coins like the 1970s Lincoln Memorial cent remind us of discipline and long-term thinking. Now imagine finding a 1970s Lincoln Memorial cent that checks every box. Exceptional condition, rare characteristics, strong demand. Prupe authentication. That coin is no longer a penny. It becomes an asset. It becomes history turned into value. Collectors around the world quietly search for such examples. They attend shows, open old rolls, inspect inherited collections. The hunt itself is part of the reward. Older collectors especially understand this joy. It is not gambling. It is knowledge applied patiently. This is why this coin continues to gain attention. It is familiar yet mysterious. Simple yet complex. Common yet rare in the right form. That balance keeps it alive in the collecting world. That if you have 1970s Lincoln Memorial cents at home, do not rush. Do not clean them. Do not dismiss them. Look carefully. Weight, color, detail, alignment, and condition all matter. Sometimes the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is almost invisible as time moves forward. Coins from this era will only become harder to find in top condition. The next generation will not have access to the same quantity of untouched examples. That reality pushes value upward over time. For men who have lived through decades of change, this coin is more than metal. It is proof that small things can endure. It is proof that patience can be rewarded. It is proof that history lives quietly in everyday objects. Now we come to the moment everyone waits for. The value that transforms curiosity into attention. In the highest known cases, with the rarest characteristics, exceptional preservation, and extreme collector demand, the 1970s Lincoln Memorial cent has been associated with a staggering value figure 8T, the very top end of this story. This coin's value is presented as $121.01 $11.00 million.